Geek, nerd, bookworm. I've heard it all. But honestly, this isn't a hobby anymore. It's an ingrained passion. Come, let me show you. Meet Vani.
Hello, I am Vani, your virtual autonomous assistant for neural interaction.
So I thought, why stop there? Meet Vani 2.0.
Robotics is not just a subject, it's a language of creation, a way of commanding the future. We could do a lot of fun stuff together.
Like watching movies. Like helping me with my research.
And yeah, reminding me to get my coffee. Shape the future you dream of. Design, build, and innovate with the ME in Robotics and Automation program at Chandigarh University. Apply now and turn ideas into intelligent machines.